Okay, look at section 2. Section 2, which is mkparịta ụka. Under section 2, okay, that's what we'll be learning now. This is still 2020 Igbo language L2 past question. We just sorted it out. So this is section 2. This one is drama or play. Okay. So please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe and click on that bell icon. Anytime we release a video, you'll be able to get notified. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, let's start to read. As I read, I will explain in English because some of you are not Igbo speaking people. Okay, so this drama is between, or this discussion is between Uche Eze and Ugomma. Uche Eze and Ugomma. Okay, so Uche Eze now asks Ugomma, mmadụ anaghị ahụzi gị anya. So Uche Eze was asking Ugomma that people, we don't see you again. Ugomma now respond, Ewo nwunye di m. She said, Ewo, I, my fellow wife. Uche said, Ahụ adịkwa gị? Now Uche now responded again and said, Uche now responded and said, I hope you are not sick. Okay, now Ugomma now responded and said, Ahụ dị m. She said, I'm well, I'm not sick, I'm well, I'm healthy, I'm not sick. Okay, Uche now responded, nke a ị na-ekwu otu a, ọ dịkwa mma. And I said, this one you are speaking like this, is it well? I hope it is well. Now Ugomma now responded, nwaanyị ibe m, ọ bụ otu ụbọchị si dị. Ọ bụ otu ụbọchị si dị. She said, that is how the situation is. That is how the situation is. Okay. Uche now responded, Madam. Uche now responded and said, ụbọchị dị etu and the otu ole. I'm doing something. I'm doing something. Uche ụbọchị ọ dị otu ole. He now responded and told her that the town, how is he like? How is he like? Then Ugomma now said, di m ekweghị na mmadụ ga-ezu ike n'ọrụ. He now says his husband do not allow her to rest from work. Now Uche now responded and said, Isi na Chidozie di gị mere gịnị? He said, what did you say that your husband Chidozie did? Now Ugomma now said, di m bidoro ọrụ ugbo ọgbara ọhụụ a na-ewu ugbu a. He now say what he say means that the husband just started a new form of agriculture or farming. Uche now responded and said, ọrụ ugbo ọgbara ọhụụ kwa. Now ask question in exclamation and say, farming or agriculture. Okay. Ugomma now responded and said, ọrụ ugbo gụnyere ọtụtụ ihe. He now tell them that farming has to do with so many things. Ochieze now responded and said, ọtụtụ ihe kwa dịka gịnị na gịnị. And I asked and say, farming or agriculture, like what and what? Ugomma now responded, ịzụ ọkụkọ, ịzụ azụ, ịkpa anụ ụlọ dịka ewu, atụrụ, nkịta na ezi. Now, I now told them that the thing that agriculture has to do is farming of fish, that is rearing of fish, or rearing of domestic animal, just like sheep, dog, and so many of them. That is, all of them is under agriculture. Now, Ochieze now responded and said, Biko, ihe niile a ka di gị na-eme. And I said, is it all these things that your husband do? Ugomma now say, ma ịkụ mkpụrụ osisi na-eme n'ọnwa isii. And I told her, yes, so that's what he does now. And not even only that, he plants trees that produce fruits and yield fruit within 6 months. Now, Ochieze now responded, mkpụrụ osisi na-eme n'ọnwa ole? She asked the question, say, those fruits, what is their maturation rate? And now, Ugomma now responded, ọnwa isii. She said it matures within 6 months. Within 6 months. Ochieze, kedu ụdị mkpụrụ osisi na-akpa ike a? She now asked a question and say, what kind of tree that does this kind of great thing that can bear fruit and mature within 6 months? What kind of tree is that? Now Ugomma now responded and said, oroma, pawpaw, aki oyibo, ube, mango, ube oyibo, ogede, na unere. Okay, she now began. This is the list. Oroma means orange. Pawpaw means, how do people call pawpaw? Pawpaw is pawpaw. Aki oyibo means how do they call it? Coconut. Ube means pear. Mango means mango. Ube oyibo means that pear that you pear, another pear. Ogede means plantain. Then unele means ogede means banana. Unele means ogede means plantain. Unele means this thing. Banana. Okay. Now Ochieze now respond and say, nke a bụ na-agụụ ala n'ezinụlọ gị. You now say, okay, because since your husband is doing these things, that means hunger is gone from your family. Ugomma now said, mana ọrụ dị na ya karịrị akarị. He said, but the work that is there is too much. Ochieze now said, echefuola na ndị Igbo sịrị na aka aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ. And I told her and said, don't forget that Igbo people used to say that before you gain something, you must put your hand into some work. Okay, so Ugomma now responded and said, Nnem, ihe I kwuru bụ eziokwu. He said, my dear, what you said is just the truth. Now Ochieze now responded and said, di m ga-abịa hụ di gị maka ọrụ ugbo a. He now said that my husband will come and see your husband because of this farm. Ugomma now said, oh, aga m agwa ya ka ọ nyere nna di dị gị aka n'ọrụ a. Okay, he said, I will advise him to join your husband in this work and help him. Ocheze now responded and said, Imeela, Chukwu gọzie gị. He now said, thank you, you did well. May God bless you. Okay, Ocheze now, okay, the last one, Ugomma said, gọziekwa gị nwunye di m. Okay, now said, God bless you too, my fellow wife. Okay, let's look at the question. Let's look at the questions from question 11. Mmadụ ole kparịtara ụka? How many people did this discussion? There are 2, which is abụọ. A is the answer. Gịnị bụ mmekọrịta dị n'etiti mmadụ ndị a? What relationship that brought these 2 persons together? Enyi, nwanyị, nwanne, nwunye di. Okay, the answer is D, which is nwunye di. They are co-wives. They are co-wives. Okay. Then number 13. Onye di ya ekweghị ka o zuo ike n'ọrụ bụ. Okay, the person that the husband do not allow her to rest from work is who? Okay, the person is Ugomma. Ugomma. The answer is D, which is Ugomma. The answer is D, which is Ugomma. She's the one that the husband does not allow her to rest because of their new work adventure. Okay, Ugomma. Okay, the number 14 says, Kedu aha di Ocheze? Kedu aha di Ocheze? Okay, let's look at it there. Okay, the answer is Chi. Okay, there is no one now there. Okay, I'm looking at this, but there's only one name. Okay, the answer is okay. Ugomma, ọ ga-agwa ya ka o nyere nna di gị aka n'ọrụ a. Okay. So the answer is the answer is Nnadi. Kedu aha di number what? Number 14. Kedu aha di Ocheze? The answer is C, which is Nnadi. Number 15. Ụdị ọrụ ndị a na-akpa maka ya bụ ọrụ. Okay, that is what kind of work are they talking about? Ugbo. Okay, the answer is C, which is ọrụ ugbo. That is the answer there. That is the kind of work they are discussing or talking about. Okay, number 16 say anụ ụlọ Ugomma ha na-akpa gụnyere ndị a ma ewepụ. That is, those domestic animal that Ugomma family rear includes these, except the answer is B, which is Ehi. They never mentioned Ehi, which is cow. We have not seen something like Ehi there. We saw Ewu, we saw Atoro, we saw Nketa na Ezi, but we did not see Ehi. So the answer is B, which is Ehi. These are the domestic, all that ones are domestic animal which the family rear, except Ehi. Ehi is cow. Ehi is cow. Alright? Okay, number 17. Mkpụrụ osisi a na-ekwu maka ya na-eme n'ọnwa ole? The fruits or the trees of the fruit that they were talking about is able to grow within how many months? C. The answer is B, which is C. The answer is B, which is C. Aha di Ugomma bụ what is the name of Ugomma's husband? That's number 18. The name of Ugomma's husband. Ugomma's husband. Okay. Is Chi Ugomma Dim Ekwe. Okay, the name of the Ugomma's husband is Chidozie. Chidozie. That's the answer is A. Number 18. The answer is A. Chidozie. If you look at that in the right up, you see it there. The number 19. Mkpụrụ osisi ole ka Ugomma na di ya na-akụ? How many fruits do Ugomma and the husband plant? Okay, let's look at that. Okay, how many fruits do they say Oroma 1, Pawpaw 2, Aki Oyibo 3, Ube 4, Mango 5, Ube Oyibo 6, Ogede 7, Unere 8. So they are 8 in number. So the answer to number 19 is 8 in number. What sort of nonsense is it? Okay. Akio, okay, Oroma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. There are 8 in number, which is Asato. E. E is the answer, which is 8 in number. E is number. E is the answer there. Okay, number is not showing. Number 20, which will be the last one. Mejuo ilua. Aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ dash. Aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ dash. The answer is D, which is mano. They say complete this proverb. Aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ. That is D is the completion. Okay. Thank you very much for your time of being part of this. So please, this is exactly the kind of question you expect in Igbo L2. This is past question continuation. This is part 2. Igbo L2 2020 past question. Do also subscribe to our channel. Remember, we are an education agency. If you want to learn Igbo or learn mathematics, physics, or prepare your child or anybody in common entrance class, prepare them. So contact us on 081 Thank you very much for your time. We are going to still do the part 3 of this 2020 question. So look forward for it. Look forward to see it. Thank you very much.